In this section, we will learn about plurals. The IBPS exam often tests your knowledge of the correct usage of plurals in sentence correction, fill in the blanks, and spot the error. The important things you must keep in mind are: some words are always used in plural. Remember the correct usage of is, are, was, and were. There are some words which have a different plural form. These are called irregular plurals. The subject and the predicate must agree in number. That is, both should be either singular or plural. Let us take a detailed look at each of these concepts. Words always used in plural. Certain nouns are always used in plural form. For example, clothes, trousers, pants, shorts, jeans, overalls, scissors, pliers, forceps, binoculars, glasses, spectacles, amends, and fork. Correct usage of is, are, was, and were. Make sure of whether the subject of the sentence is singular or plural. For example, none of the factors is relevant. None is singular and therefore must use the verb is. Many of the factors are relevant. Many is plural and therefore must use the verb are. Irregular plurals. They are of two types. Words that don't change, that is, the singular and the plural form have the same word. Words that don't follow plural spelling rules. These words have plurals which are different from the conventional form. Words that don't change. Some examples are spices, salmon, offspring, deer, fish, etc. Words that don't follow plural spelling rules. Some examples are plural of child is children, not childs. Plural of die is dice, not dies. Plural of mouse is mice, not mouses. Number agreement between subject and predicate. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Subject and verb must agree in number. For example, the dog barks loudly. Here, the subject, the dog, is singular. Hence, the verb takes the singular form, which is barks. The dogs bark loudly. Here, the subject, the dogs, is plural. Hence, the verb takes the plural form, which is bark. The verb takes the plural form if two different subjects are joined by and. For example, Seema and Shilpa play in the garden. Seema and Shilpa are two individual subjects joined by the conjunction and. Therefore, the verb use is in the plural form, which is play. The verb is singular if two subjects joined by and refer to the same thing. For example, bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. Here, bread and butter refer to the same thing, that is breakfast. Hence, the verb takes the singular form, which is. Units of time are always singular. For example, 5 years is a long time to be in jail. Another thing to keep in mind is the words everybody, everyone are always singular. For example, everybody is leaving now. Everyone has a t-shirt. In the next video, we will learn about tenses.